Hey G Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious crispy mustard fried sockeye salmon sandwich, and then I just paired it with some sweet potato fries on the side. So if you like to see how I put this sandwich together, then keep watching. Alright G Squad, so here are all our ingredients here on the counter, starting with our sockeye salmon. I ordered this from Butcher Box. It's a delivery based subscription, and their meats are really delicious, so I'm going to be using those. In this bowl I have a combination of cornmeal, so it's about 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, and then I have some self-rising flour, about 1/4 cup. So I actually add the flour to the cornmeal just to take away like the grainy texture sometimes cornmeal could have. My seasoning, I'm just going to use some of this Slap Your Mama seasoning, and I have some hot sauce as well I'm going to add to that. And then also I have some mustard here as well, so I guess you can even call this mustard fried sockeye sandwich, sockeye salmon. And then I'm going to garnish it with the tomatoes, red onions, and lettuce. And then I'm going to use some of this Chipotle style mayo for our bun. And our buns are, we're going to be using the this is like one of my favorite buns, the Brigeau. And then I'm going to fry our fish in some vegetable oil, which I currently have heating up on the stove. And so now let's get to seasoning our fish. Okay, so I'm starting off with just adding some mustard. Good enough. Some of my seasoning. And then a small amount of hot sauce. So sit this off to the side, let them marinate for a few minutes. Bring in my cornmeal seasoning, add just a little of the seasoning to that. Then I'm going to give this a stir. I have a knife right here. So now I'm taking my first piece of fish, add it in our dry mixture, get it nice and coated. Okay, so I'll meet y'all over here at the stove. Alright y'all, so our grease is ready. So I'm adding in, make sure this back is coated, adding in my first fish. Okay, so I lightly toasted my buns, and now I'm adding my mayo. And this is the, again, this is the mayo I'm using. Alright, family. So, here we are, our mustard fried sock-eyed salmon sandwich. And then I just paired it with some crinkly sweet potato fries. Yeah, so that's it, family. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. And I love you guys. And then family, also, kudos to us. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. Family, I want to thank you so much for your love and support. And for 2022, we just going to keep growing and growing, you know, as an army, as a family. And yeah, I look so forward to it. But in any case, family, I'm going to wrap up this video now. I love you guys. I really do appreciate you. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.